Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Frameo digital frame not turning on in 2026. Now, in order to fix this particular issue, first of all, you need to make sure that the power cable is properly connected to your frame. You can check the adapter and then you can plug it firmly into the socket. You can also try a different power outlet to rule out the socket issues. Now the next thing, you need to check if there is any light, logo or screen flicker. If nothing appears on the screen, the issue is likely power related. If the screen lights up but stays blank, it may be a system issue as well. So in this case, you just have to first of all unplug the frame from the power. Afterwards, you just have to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then after this particular time duration, you need to plug it back in and try turning it on again. This is going to reset the internal power errors. Now you can also press and hold this particular power button for a few seconds. Then as soon as you do this, you are going to see these types of options on your frame. So here simply tap on the option of restart and you need to basically restart your device. Now some frames need a long press in order to basically get this particular option. When you tap on the restart, you just have to wait until it restarts, and after restarting you just have to simply check whether it is now working properly again. If possible, you can try using another compatible power adapter as well, because sometimes a faulty adapter is one of the most common reasons the frame won't turn on. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.